Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you're going to be doing or making a jewelry store on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing we need is the WooCommerce extension or the plugin for WordPress, since that is needed to create online stores. So we're just going to go and browse plugins, and I can't install any plugins since I'm on the free version. But if we just go here and go to WooCommerce, you can very easily just install this, and this will help you create your store. Now, all you need to do once it's installed, you're going to have a tab here to the left. Just go in there and set everything up, and then you'll have the option to add products, add images, add any content which you need, set up taxes, prices, shipping, etc., etc. And once you do that, then you'll be able to use it for anything, jewelry included. Now, you can also install any drop shipping plugins and services as well if you want to enter or create a drop shipping store for jewelry. That's also an option, but WooCommerce is your best bet. Now, I am sorry that I can't show you guys how to do this because I'm on the free plan, but it's very easy. You just need to browse all the options and add your products, your images, your prices and taxes, and your shipping, and that should be pretty much it. You should also add some legal documentation, which you need to add to your site as a storefront, and then you can also go into settings and set up everything, including the permalinks as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, sorry I couldn't show you guys. It is kind of scuffed, I know, but I don't have the business plan. But yeah, it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.